Hey diesel fans, today let's talk about how to make an S400 spool quickly. Whoa! The S400 is a good turbo on the 6.7 Cummins. I take a lot of the phone calls here at Diesel Power Source, and the feedback y'all give me is you love when it hits because it pulls like a freight train, no doubt. But you also tell me the drivability sucks. It takes forever for it to spool up. And then you guys telling me that when you're towing, you have a narrow power band and your EGTs start to spike once you're pulling that long grade. A lot of you go with the second gen swap kits with the S400. Why is that? Well, it's kind of a pain in the butt because the S400 comes with a straight outlet. You have to get all new piping out to your intercooler on the second gen swap, new cold air intake on your second gen swap, a new downpipe because you're using a second gen manifold for it. That sounds like a lot of parts, expensive, pain in the butt, and you still have the same issues. You got the lagginess of spool up, the narrow power band, smoky, and you're spiking EGTs. It doesn't have to be. At Diesel Power Source, we have our race cover and an elbow on the S400 compressor cover. This allows you to do a third gen swap kit and bolt this up to our T4 high flow exhaust manifold on your 6.7. It lines up with everything. It'll clamp right up to the coupler on your intercooler. It'll V-band clamp up to your factory cast elbow, and you could use your factory air box. The Turbonator is the only S400 VGT turbo on Earth, even the galaxy. It improves your RPM spool up by 300 to 600, cleans up that smoke, reduces your EGTs. It's going to give you better fuel mileage, and the best part, it's efficient and clean. I'm going to read an email from one of our members, John Olson. I installed the Turbonator on my 2010 Cummins second gen swap S400 series turbo today. Everything fit up like it was made for the truck. The machine work on the Turbonator is amazing. It's like a work of art. Very smooth installation. That's not the best part. I've got boost now. It starts to spool up at 1100 RPMs, where it used to at 1600 and 1700 RPMs. Wow. Guys, this is not uncommon or unusual. I've driven the trucks. We've tested the trucks. I've had members call in, giving the same results, that they love driving their truck now due to the quicker spool up. If you don't have an S400 turbo on your truck already, look into our third gen swap kits with the Turbonator. If you already have a second gen swap kit, hey, no worries. You don't have to buy a complete turbo or our third gen swap kit. You can buy the Turbonator housing and exchange it with your current housing and replace it with our Turbonator VGT housing, and you just bettered your spool up by 500 RPMs. Now that is how you improve your spool up time with an S400. Call us. I don't care where you're at in the galaxy or on Earth. Call us. Let us help you improve your spool up with an S400 Turbonator Turbo.